The term Giffen Good was named after Robert Giffen. Giffen is an economist. Naka-observe that there is a certain type of good na, di ba, normally, if the price of a product is higher, then it follows that consumer will buy less of the product. Or if good X, or if the price of a certain product is lower, then consumer will buy more on that good, right? So, but in Giffen's observation, sometimes consumer will not behave that way, but the opposite. Ibig sabihin, although mahal yung product, still consumer buys more of that product. And that is called Giffen's paradox. So in the case of a given good, if the income effect of a price change is strong enough, then there could be a positive relationship between price and quantity demanded. The ideal behavior of the consumer is that if mahal yung isang product, then the tendency of the consumer is to buy less of that product. So there's a negative relationship between price and quantity demanded. But in the case of a given good, the relationship between price and quantity demanded is positive. Ibig sabihin, as price of good X, for example, increases, then still consumer buys more of that good. So the quantity demanded also increases. The income effect, okay? The income effect as the price of that good, halimbawa, good X changes, is strong enough to cancel the substitution effect. Kaya nangyari yung Giffen's paradox. So, mas malaki yung income effect. So, na-capture or na-cancel out nung, halimbawa, tumaas yung good X. Price of good X tumaas. So ano mangyari? Then, by substitution effect, consumer will buy less X but more Y. Diba? Nag-substitute siya. But by income effect, ano yung income effect? If the price of good X will change, price of good X increases, diba yung real income bumaba. The result or the situation is that as real income or as purchasing power of the consumer decreases, then consumer buys more of that good. So na-cancel out yung substitution effect na the consumer buys less on good X. But by income effect, the consumer buys more of that goods. So, isang characteristic ni Giffen Good is siya ay inferior good. So, inferior good. So, as real income decreases, consumer buys more of that good. So, an increase in price leads to a drop in real income. And since the good is inferior, a drop in income causes quantity demanded to rise. So the income effect for a given good is greater than the substitution effect. So yun yung special type of a good